There's a message here for you today. Transformation and growth doesn't look what we all believe that it should look like. We tend to see that this person's growing, and we can see each and every step of the way, and we can see the efforts and the growth that they're making. But the real reality of it is that most of it goes unnoticed. Most of it goes on behind closed doors, in solitude, being with self, being away from all the noise. And the 3D world outside of us is still behaving and still living their life. In actual fact, it looks like we can feel like their lives are all moving forward, and yet ours is spiraling to the depths of despair. Everything is going wrong. Every single part of our lives breaks down, and we can almost try and grasp and hold and try and cling on to what no longer serves us. And transformation at the core, real transformation comes from breakdown, from confusion, from loss, from devastation, from being at rock bottom, probably over and over and over again. And you can question yourself at this point and think, God, my life, I'm cursed, you know. Everything is breaking down, and the way I wanted life to be right now, it's everything but. And if you're in that place right now, I say this with so much passion because I've been there so many times, and it's so hard for us to have the patience and knowing that this is all for our highest good. This is all by design. The place that we find ourselves in is this place where we question each and everything, and we create these negative loops over and over again in our heads, and it almost keeps us stuck at the bottom, stuck at rock bottom. Because obviously when everything's falling to shit, we can't actually see at that point the higher value or the meaning behind this all, and we start to play victim. And it's not, we're only human. We've been built to believe in certain dynamics and patterns. And I say this with so much passion because I've played that victim without me even knowing it. Subconsciously, I would always say, well, why is this happening to me? Why do I never get this move? How come everything that I fucking try at turns to shit and everybody else's life is moving? But at that place, you're projecting out of lack. You're projecting out to the universe, I don't have it and I'm playing victim right now. And what we resist persists. So it all changes, and there's a message for you if you're watching this video up to now, that what we resist persists. So until we can face what's actually going on here, which is fundamentally for our highest good, when we can catch it, when we can catch these thoughts coming in and saying, why don't I just take a different look at this right now? Why don't I stop playing the victim and seeing that the universe is conspiring against me? Or, you know, why somebody left me? Why did I have to lose that job? I've done everything right. Maybe you did, but this is all for your highest good. And you can't see it right now, but that is the deeper meaning behind it all. So again, when it comes in, flip the script on this shit. Flip it straight away. No, what is this trying to show me, and how am I going to move through it? What had to go so I could be the best person that I can possibly be? And I promise you, once you take that look on the life that's in front of you right now, take away the time, take away the situation, take away everything that is keeping you in this perpetual cycle of negative loops that you keep playing in yourself. If you can flip it, catch it, sit with it and work through it, your life is going to shift. I know that for a fact. So if you're feeling a bit confused or a bit down and out right now, just know that this is the becoming of you. And as soon as you can understand that that's what's going down here, your life is going to start moving forward. If you are feeling stuck right now and you're unsure where to go, check the link in the bio or reach out to me. I'm there for you. And you can move through this. You can move through this. Do not give up on yourself. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one. Stop playing them thoughts in your head. They're gonna come, but check them. Check them thoughts. Ask yourself, sit with it. What is this trying to show me? How do I move past this difficult time? And the answers will be revealed to you. God bless, keep going.